So the Deville looks like it's in pretty good shape except for the hood, the bumper, the grille, that right front headlight, the right front headlight. There's some components underneath there that look like they're actually still in decent condition. And you can see that the frame or unibody has not been touched. So again, the insurance company did not do an effective job of assessing this, and maybe the owners would have made a different decision on getting a new vehicle. I got to pull that hood up and see how bad the damage is underneath. So I've raised the hood, and the hood is definitely a goner. I'm going to have to pull that off, but I don't see any damage past this bumper. I think that the bumper compressors, the shock absorbers, actually took the brunt of the hit, but there is I don't see any significant damage here. This is pushed in slightly, but it's not creased, so that can probably be pulled out pretty easily. Otherwise, maybe $250, $300 to fix this, and they totaled the vehicle. Of course, I'm using used parts. So I've begun disassembly. I've got the broken bumper. Interestingly enough, that bumper is made out of fiberglass, heavy fiberglass. Anyway, now that I've exposed all the damage, you can see where the shock absorbers, or the shock absorbing elements of the bumper have been pushed over at an angle. They need to be coming straight out. The bumper actually hit the condenser and damaged the condenser, so the air conditioning is not working. The same thing pretty much happened on the other side, but not as bad. This shock absorbing element of the bumper is pushed over. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to strap this to my truck and pull it straight before I start reassembly. I'm hoping that that's not going to be too difficult. It looks like it's pretty thin metal. But fortunately, there's the frame. Did not touch the frame. That bolt that attaches to the frame is slightly angled, but